This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tomatoes. First, choosing the right tomatoes is crucial for delicious results. Look for firm, ripe, and unblemished varieties. Next, gather all your canning equipment, including clean jars, new lids, and a large water bath canner. Proper sterilization of your jars and lids is absolutely essential to prevent spoilage and ensure food safety. This initial preparation sets the stage for a successful canning experience, so take your time with these important first steps. Once your equipment is ready, it's time to prepare the tomatoes themselves. Begin by washing them thoroughly under cool running water, removing any dirt or imperfections. Next, blanch the tomatoes in boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds. This helps loosen their skins for easy peeling. After blanching, immediately transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Then, carefully peel, core, and quarter your tomatoes, discarding any tough or green sections. Now, let's fill those sterilized jars. Pack your prepared tomatoes tightly, leaving a crucial 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. To ensure proper acidity for safe canning, add 1 tablespoon of bottled lemon juice or 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid to each quart jar. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean, center the new lids, and secure the bands finger-tight. The final step is the water bath processing. Carefully place your filled jars into the canner, ensuring they are fully submerged by at least 1 inch of water. Bring the water to a rolling boil and process quart jars for 45 minutes, adjusting for altitude if necessary. Once the processing time is complete, turn off the heat and let the jars rest in the canner for 5 minutes. Then, carefully remove them and allow them to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.